Good morning, children. Today start chapter 13 of maths. Linear equations in one variable. First of all, understand what is the meaning of equation. After that, I'll explain you what is the meaning of linear. Then what is the meaning of one variable. Then together linear equation in one variable. But first understand what is the meaning of equation. So an equation is a mathematical statement which shows the equality of two expression. Means expression. In the last chapter we have done algebraic expression. What is expression? Expression algebraic means there will be variable and constant term, and there is one expression like 2x plus 5y plus 3. This is the expression. Okay, but equation, in equation you will see the equality sign. Okay, this equality sign is always there in every equation. That is why it is called equation. Equation means there equality sign, with equality sign. Okay, so this is one expression. You can say this is another expression. When both expression are with equality sign, then this is called equation. That is why it is said that an equation is a mathematical statement which shows the equality of two expression. Okay, similarly here also you will see here this side one expression, this side one, both is there is a sign of equality in between the both the expression. Here also, this also one expression, second expression, both are in equality sign. If there is sign of is equal to, means it is called as equation, not expression. And in expression you will not see the sign of equality. Did you see the sign of equality in the last chapter in any expression? No, because it was simply an expression and this is equation. Understood the difference between equation and expression? Okay, now what is simple equation? So simple, an equation having only one variable is known as simple equation. Means you will see only one variable, like 2x plus 4 is equal to, here I will write 5x. So x only one variable. There will be no y, no z, no any abc term. Only one variable is there, then it is called the simple equation. What is linear equation? Linear means the highest power will be 1 only, not more than 1. What is highest power? What is power? Power is this exponent. Okay, so if you will see the exponent is in square, then it is not a linear. If it is linear, then exponent or power will be 1 only. There is nothing means what? There is 1. Here also nothing means it is 1. Its power is 1. So if power is highest power will be 1 in any equation, then it is called the linear equation. Understood the meaning of linear? Linear means the highest power will be 1 only. Okay, now linear equation in one variable. One variable means this simple equation. Simple equation and linear equation combination is called linear equation in one variable. Means there will be highest power 1 only and there will be only one variable. Okay, then it is called linear equation in one variable. Only one variable in one equation. 2a plus 5 is equal to 7. There is one variable and its highest power is 1 only. 3x plus 7 is equal to 12. There is only one variable and its highest power is 1 only. M plus 7 is equal to 3m. Here also m, here also m. There is one variable used in this equation and its highest power is 1 only. So it is called linear equation in one variable. Understood now? Linear equation in one variable. Now, how to find out the solution of linear equation? To find out the solution of linear equation, we will check its left hand side and right hand side. Suppose 2y plus 3 is equal to 21. Is it a linear equation in one variable? Yes, it is a linear equation in one variable. If the value of y is given minus 9, then we have to check whether this is a solution of this equation. How we will check that it is a solution of this equation or not? Let's see. First we will take the left hand side. This is 2y plus 3. Now we will put the value of y in this. What is the value of y? 9. Minus 9. Plus minus minus. 9 2 ja 18 plus 3. Now minus 18 plus 3 will be equal to 15, but it is bigger, so its sign will be minus 15. What is RHS? RHS is 21. You can see LHS is not equal to RHS. It means that this is not the solution of this equation. Then when it will be the solution? When LHS will be equal to RHS. Okay? Let's see one more. Now take one more question. N by 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. It is also a linear equation in one variable. You have to check whether this is a solution of this equation or not. So take the LHS. LHS is equal to n by 3 minus 4. So put the value of n, that is 6. 6 by 3 minus 4. 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 2. And what is RHS? RHS is minus 2 only. So here LHS is equal to RHS. You can see both are equal. It means yes, n is equal to 6 is the solution of this linear equation. Got it? How to check the linear equation solution? LHS and RHS value should be same. Now let's see how to write this kind of equation in the form of statement. This is example. 3p plus 4 is equal to 26. How you will write this in statement form? So you can write it 4 added to, you can see 4 is added to what? 3 times a number p. 4 added to 3 times p is equal to 26, or you can say gives 26. Gives means also is equal to, or is 26 also you can say, is equal to 26 also you can say. Okay. Similarly this one, 3/5, 3 by 5, 3/5 of a number m, 3/5 of a number m is 6, means is equal to 6. Okay. This also you have to write in statement form. 5 times a number p minus 2 gives 18. 5 times a number p minus 2 gives means is equal to 18. Okay, this is the way you can write the statement in the form of equation in the form of statement. Similarly, statement you can write in the form of equation also. Like Imran says that he has 3 marbles less than 4 times the marble Rohit has. Imran has 29 marbles. You can write this in the equation form. Imran says that he has 3 marble less. 3 marble less means minus 3. 4 times the marble Rohit has. 4 times the marble Rohit has. Suppose Rohit has n marble. So 4 times the Rohit has marble less than 3 means minus 3 equals to 29. Now come to the exercise 13.1. Complete the following table. X minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation and this is a solution. Now you have to check whether this satisfied this equation or not. Means LHS is equal to RHS or not. So you will put the value of x in this and you will see whether its LHS is equal to RHS or not. So if you will see the LHS side, if you will put in the place of x 0, then 0 minus 5 will be equal to what? Minus 5. And RHS there is 0. So minus 5 is not equal to 0. So LHS is not equal to 0. So you will write no, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Similarly, x is equal to minus 5 is given. If you will put the value of x here minus 5, then minus plus minus 7 minus 5 will be equal to 2. Here also 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So it satisfied the solution. Okay. Yes or no you have to write. But you have to show LHS and RHS as I have shown you. Question number 2 also. Check whether the following gives the bracket solution is not. Bracket there is a solution given. Now you have to put this value in this LHS and RHS. You have to show it is correct or not. Like this only as I have explained you. Okay. Now equation. Write equation for the following statement. Can you write the equation for the sum of 9 times A and 6. 9 times A means 9 into A. and 6. Sum of 9 times a and 6. Sum means plus. Sum of 9 times a and 6 is means is equal to 24. This is the equation form of this statement. Similarly, you have to try this. And question number 4, write the following equation in statement form. You have to write this in statement form. Okay, x plus 7 is equal to 9. How you will write this statement? How you will write this statement? 7 is 7 added to a number x gives 9. Okay, 3 times p divided by 5p plus 5, or sum of p and 5 gives 16 or is equal to 16. Okay, try this. Next day we will discuss the next topic. Okay.